channel. So today is the 26th of December and today is my birthday and the time is now 2 p.m. and I'm going for a short ride, not a long one, because I went to the temple in the morning, so I don't have much time left to go for a long ride. So I'll go for a short ride to Akhayasila waterfalls. It's not a hidden waterfall or not an unknown waterfall as well. Most of you already know it. So if you are from Rourkela, then you already know that this is the nearest waterfall from the city. But the route which I'll be following today is the most shortest. So follow my journey to know the shortest route to Akhayasila waterfalls. So without any further delay, I'm already ready. So let's go and start the ride. So we have started our journey now. This place is Jagda in Rourkela and we are going to Akhayasila waterfalls, as you are already aware from the title. The normal route which most people know is from highway side, which starts from the Bisra Chowk and goes all the way via Bondamunda Bisra to Akhayasila waterfall. But this is a shortcut route which I am following today. So if you are someone who is from Jagda, Koilnagar, Jirpani side, you can follow this route. So this is the NIT backpost road, so you can follow this one. Apart from few bad patches, the overall road condition is really good. How you should reach this place, I mean this route where I am right now, you need to come to the CWS hospital, cross the hospital, go straight, cross Batamangala temple, go straight, you will find a tall lamp post, take right, this is the road. You just need to follow the road. Here you will find two diversions, left and right, take left. Take left. So here you can see a signboard which asks you to go right. You need to take the right. Now we took right because going ahead that road comes to a dead end, so basically we are following the road. This is an off-road patch but not so bad. We have good roads ahead. This road is overall good, but it has lot of humps, so that's a bit irritating. Otherwise the road is good. So one hump's gone, second one I'll dodge it, third one I'll jump it, fourth one jump it, fifth one cross it, sixth one cross it. Can you see? Look at the road here, there is nothing, unnecessary humps. Seventh one cross it, unnecessary useless humps, no use. And now you come across a pond. So if you see this pond, then you are on the right path, or else you need to check again. So this is the pond and this place is Bondamunda Block A. So if you have not heard about Bondamunda before, then you need to watch the movie MS Dhoni. Bondamunda is mentioned there. There was a time when Bondamunda was Asia's largest railway junction, but I think now some other place took that position. So now you will find several ways. One is left. You can skip the left side. While returning, I'll show you. I'll come by that way. I'll show you where that road takes you. Then another left. Skip it. Take right and go straight. Today's date is 26th of December while I'm shooting this video, and I guess it will be New Year while you will be watching this. So this video is shot in 2022 and you're watching in 2023, probably the first day of 2023. Now the road is good, you can rev a little and then you will come across the level crossing. just need to follow this road parallel to the railway track. There will be an underpass which you need to go through to reach the highway. The highway which I say is the same highway which you will be following if you come through Bisra Chowk. Is the same highway, Bondamota Bisra. And here you come across a right turn which you need to take. Don't go straight. Take this turn. You come across this underpass. Railway overbridge underpass. Take this road and go straight. Follow the road to reach the highway. So finally we are approaching the highway, and on the highway you have to take left. If you take right, then you will reach Rourkela. This is the Rourkela Jharkhand highway which goes to Noaga, Hatia, Ranchi, lot of places, Manoharpur, Chakragarpur. So after taking left turn, you just need to follow this highway, no turns anymore. If you are liking my content, please hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share my videos as much as you can. So this is Bisra. So finally I see the Odisha tourism signboard which says Akhayasila or Akhayasila Waterfall. This is the chalk. Going left will take you to Titirkela, Magurkela, which I will be going while returning. But now I will take the right diversion and go straight for Akhayasila Waterfalls. This is my second time when I am coming to this waterfall. The last time when I came here was during the monsoons and it looked really beautiful. I hope the beauty remains the same. So again, the signboard, and you have to take right here. Whenever you see the Odisha tourism signboard, take right, and you have to cross another underpass. After this underpass, take left. So you can see the signboard here again. So the waterfalls is exactly on the Odisha Jharkhand border, and that is where the Saranta forest area starts. So you can see a lot of people have come for picnic. So that's the signboard for you. It says Akhayasila Waterfalls, and this is the waterfall actually. So that's the falls. So you have to go that side to see it properly. Nice, beautiful place. It's a serene place actually. You can spend a good amount of time, quality time here. The only thing which I'm missing is the flow of water. हाँ, Turbo 5007 यहाँ पे लिखा है, देखिए ये RS 200 है, पल्सर की. Now just to compare, this is how the waterfall looks during the early monsoon. we are done now, and I'll be leaving since I have to show you another place. So if you go straight through this route, this road goes to Jharkhand, and this is Jharkhand border, and the forest in front of you is the Saranda forest. So time for us to leave this place. So this is the chalk, and now I'll take a roundabout. So this is the other road that we left. So now I'll take this road. This road goes to Bhalulata, and via Bhalulata you will reach Jharkhand again. This is the bordering area of Jharkhand. So you have multiple roads to reach Jharkhand, and we will take a diversion. That road will also go to Jharkhand. So this is the junction now. You can see the board. Straight goes Bhalulata, Rourkela, Manoharpur, Jharkhand. The right will take you to Sarubahal, Titirkela and Bangurkela and lot of other places. So I took the left. This road goes straight to Nuaga. So I have already covered this place in one of my previous videos where I covered Titirkela. So you can check out that video through my playlist, or better I'll provide you the link in the description. You can go and watch it. Shit. One down, one more to go. Finally, two down, one more to go. Three down, no more to go. This is overall a good road which goes straight to Nuaga via Titirkela. Nuaga is the last place in Odisha. After that you enter Jharkhand. This right turn, this we have to take. Bangurkela, you can see. We have to take this turn, but first let me take you to Titirkela. This you can consider as a detour which I am taking just to show you Titirkela. If you are my old subscriber, then you have already seen it. If you have not, link is in the description. So finally we have arrived at Titirkela. This is also a picnic place, but I don't see any group picnicking over here today. So this used to be our hangout place during my BTech days. That is Bangurkela, that railway bridge. We used to hang out over there, over here, over there. This is a really beautiful place. So now I'll take a drone shot here, and then we'll proceed on our way back home. So I hope you loved the drone shots. So now it's time for me to say goodbye to Titirkela and go back home. But there is one more place which I would like to show you. That also used to be our regular hangout place during my BTech days. So let me go there first. Okay, I just noticed that I have to refuel my bike. I'm taking a U-turn and going back to Bangurkela. This road on the right hand side will take me to Bangurkela. So let's take the turn. So this is again a railway track in front of you. On the left hand side you can see a railway track, and that place used to be my regular hangout place. If you are following me on Insta, you might have seen a couple of reels there, couple of drone shots as well. That place is my favorite place to watch sunset or sunrise. That's really beautiful. So you can see the sun is going down. So let's now change the side and go to that side. You get a newly constructed underpass here, which is right in front of us. So we have to take a new turn here. So as you can see, now we are on the other side of the track, and my next hangout place is not far. So sometimes I come here and spend some time here, exactly this spot. So you can stand here in the evening and you can watch the sunset happening there. In the morning if you come, you can watch the sunrise happening there. and if you come in the right time, then you can see a couple of trains passing by here. I had made a KGF reel. That thing was shot here, and I've also uploaded certain drone shots of this place. You might have already seen that. If you are following me on Insta, if you're not, then the link is in the description. Go ahead and follow me. So that being said, let's proceed towards our next destination, which is my another hangout place, the last one before we reach home. So the sun is going down drastically, and before it goes down, I need to take some drone shots. So this is a playground, and you can see some kids and some men as well playing around here. So in this part of Odisha, people are really enthusiastic about all kinds of outdoor sports, be it hockey, be it football. People are really very enthusiastic about it. That being said, Rourkela is hosting the Hockey World Cup this year, which is gonna start in Jan 13th. So this is my last hangout place, where I used to hang out during my BTech days with my friend Sumanta. So I'll take the last drone shot for today here, and then we'll go back home. I hope you like the drone shots. This is the last drone shot of 2022, and that being said, the sun has already gone down. So as you saw in the drone shot, this stream of water goes straight ahead and merges with the Koel river. Let's go. So this place was actually not discovered by me. It was discovered by one of my best friends, Sumanta. You have never seen him in any of my videos, never got a chance to do so. I'm planning for a ride from Bangalore to Mumbai. Sumanta is in Mumbai, so I'll include him in my Mumbai exploration. And in this junction you have to take left. Taking right will also take you back to Jharpandi, and if you take left you will go to Jagda. Just follow the road, no diversions, and we will reach the same junction where we took right to reach the first railway junction while going. And while you follow the road, you come across the same junction where we took right while going. So this is the junction. We went that way. Now we will go back. So in short, we took a circle, complete circle. all the way till Jharkhand and back. How awesome was that? If you loved the journey, then hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share my videos as much as you can so that more people get to know about this hidden route probably. So it's the same route now through which we came. This is the pond on your left. So that being said, I think there's nothing more to show. It's the same route. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like the content. If you did, you know the drill. That being said, I would like to take this opportunity to wish all of you a very happy and prosperous new year. This is me, your host and your friend Sandeep, signing off. Goodbye. Take care.